So here I'm going to refine some gold that's already been refined. Most of it's been refined 2 or 3 times. But you can see there's different colour golds in there. So I'm going to refine that. Let's see how much we got in weight. So we've got 82 grams there. 82.6. So I'd call that about 98 to 99% pure gold there. So we're going to refine that to 999. That's my next job. So I'm going to refine this 82 grams now. It's got a bit of water in there, but I've just washed out the beaker and put it into a larger beaker. So I'm going to add some hydrochloric acid now, and then a little bit of nitric acid and a touch of sulfuric acid. That's the next step, get that on boil. So this has been in aqua regia now, and now I'm filtering it. This is some of it already. It's a little bit cloudy, so I'm going to filter it a second time. I've got to wait for this to finish first. I'd say it's got silver in it because it's got a white coating around the edge there. But we'll filter it a second time. So this is having its second filter now, and it's come out pretty much crystal clear now. So I'll be dropping this soon. It's been filtered. I've put urea in and sodium metabisulfate, and now it's dropping the gold out. So this is the next day, and there's the gold, looks beautiful. Got some silver that's dropped out here with some copper. Another little project. Anyway, I'm going to siphon this off and get a weight on it, dry it out, give it a clean, in reverse order. Let's do that now. So this is that gold. I'm just waiting for the kettle to boil. I'm going to wash it out. It's that little bit of silver I done earlier. That one that you saw in the beaker, it was really dirty. That's all drying out. This one's got to be washed out yet. It's a lovely colour. It's still wet, so yeah, that's lovely. So the gold's all dried out now. Looks beautiful, the colour. I'm going to get a weight on it now. Should put it in a smaller beaker really. It's 81.9 there, but there's a little bit left. Some micro gold there. So it's going to be 82 something still, so I didn't lose a lot. That looks lovely. So So that refine is done. Beautiful colour. I put too much sodium metabisulfate, that's why it's so super fine. Put less next time. So I've just got the rest of that gold out the beaker, and it's 82 grams exactly. And that is beautiful and clean, that is. That is going to be 3 nines fine. Nice. So that's job done. Oh, this is that powder. I've made it into a bar now. Stamped up with the Union Jack 999. Let's see how much it weighs. .4. I'm not sure what that powder was. I think it was 82, so I've lost 1.6. But that's it. That's done now. Next project now. I'm going to make a silver cell this week. Do some silver. Got a few kilos to do. So that'll be my next project this week. Oh, and I've got to do the chips at some point. I put them in acid a long time ago to get rid of the legs. So they're coming up soon.